Fendt 614 update. Stripped down. Ready to go into the paint shop. Well, a bit of sandblasting and then into the paint. That'll get cleaned up, don't worry about that, we'll just put that on. Slight modification been done here, because I think it has had a different cab put on it. It did roll over early on in its life, and it had the later cab put on. But yeah, she's a handy lump of a tractor. It'll take a gallon or two to cover that. They were just painted on, just blowed in round the sides. Diesel tank was painted on, everything. I think they were just built up and then just either dipped or sprayed. No, they were sprayed. But yeah, them cable ties can come off now because I had all that orbital unit off to put a new seal in. So she's actually a real sound tractor, this. She's done a few hours as well. Substantial back end on it. Just a swinging drawbar. Put new ram seals in the back. Take them off, pull this plate off. Pull cab mounts off, pull arms off. We'll just see if it'll fit in spray shop now, because it's quite long. There's the cab, all stripped down. I'm sure that is the later cab. Done a bit of panel beating there. Squared all this front up now. Welded a new bit in down the bottom. Down there. This one just ground up. But yeah, this mudguard had been hit. Here you can see these divots. She's made of some substantial steel. It's like 3mm. To use sledgehammer to get it back. A very strong design. But it's sound. Just a little bit underneath that seam over there. But other than that, spot on. It'll be a pleasure to do this. I haven't just worked out how we get dash out yet. But underneath the dash is sound. It might just mask off and paint the lower half underneath where the pedals are. I don't know, I'll see. Well, it won't be too bad to get out. Just be the wiring loom now and a connector for the oh, we did this side as well. Just had a couple of dings here and there down that side. That's the worst bit on the cab. Just water's just got on under here, but other than that, yeah, it's half the battle when they're straight. You know, not like the 550. I had to spend months welding, grinding, fillering, sanding. Just gets. You often don't think you can see the light at the end, but it turns a corner and it all comes together and it makes all the hard work pay off. That's the front nose cone, lump of cast. Radiator weighs about as much as that. So does the tank. There you go, you can see it's all been built together and just painted. All the pipes, the wiring loom, everything. Absolutely everything was painted. I think just a couple of these knobs were put on afterwards. That's about it. Actually a really easy cab to come off, because it's made to tip up at the back. well, it tips up from the front, sorry, but it tips back. So everything in the front, it's been well thought of. You know, it just all comes off in a mechanical manner, should I say. It's been designed by mechanics. Not like the rest of the tractors, which is designed by a shirt and tie. And on paper it's cheaper. Got that one there to do as well. There's the 550, but you're not looking at that yet. That's another video. So that'll do for now. See you later.